It's a case of trick or treat as we come out of the Halloween weekend. Central banks across the world are preparing to make their moves in the coming weeks, and we are approaching a pivotal juncture. Markets and investors are eagerly awaiting the decisions and announcements that central banks across the world are going to take that could shape the global economic landscape. So what lies ahead for monetary policy globally, interest rates across the world, and the financial world's own version of Halloween surprises? Take a look at this.
From a slew of central bank meetings to Apple's earnings, these are the stories to watch in business and finance. The Bank of Japan makes a policy announcement on Tuesday. The benchmark 10-year government bond yield is still below the BOJ's 1% policy ceiling, partly due to lots of intervention. Overnight index swaps offer a cleaner view of where markets put 10-year yields without BOJ interference, creeping over 1% in recent days. Governor Kazuo Ueda has insisted the bank will take a patient approach to removing stimulus. Apple reports U.S. earnings on Thursday. Its shares have helped drive equity indexes higher this year, along with the other major U.S. tech and growth companies. But the stock has pulled back sharply since late July when the S&P 500 hit its 2023 high. Results already in from megacaps have prompted a mixed reaction, with shares of Alphabet and Tesla slumping after their reports. A bruised U.S. stock market will turn its attention to the Fed monetary policy meeting on Wednesday. Futures tied to the main policy rate show most traders don't expect the Fed to raise borrowing costs. However, some believe a rate increase could come when the central bank meets again in December. The Bank of England gathers on Thursday for its penultimate meeting of 2023. Throughout 2023, year-on-year growth has halved. Rates have risen to 5.25%, and while inflation is lower, it is still well above the Eurozone and the U.S. at 6.7%. The BOE will want to ram home the message that rates won't fall anytime soon.